Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to fix Battle.net not opening. Follow my steps. Open Task Manager. Close all Battle.net services. Close your Task Manager. Press Windows plus R button and type the following command. Click OK. And find 3 folders. Delete folders. Close window. And restart your PC.
Problem solved. Like and subscribe.